Welcome back to Motorcraft Zero. Today we have something exciting for all of you who are car enthusiasts. We are diving into a detailed review of the 2025 MG RX5 Sport. This SUV has been making waves with its bold design, impressive features, and overall performance. Let's explore this vehicle in depth, covering everything from its exterior to the interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 MG RX5 Sport is a visually striking SUV. MG has made sure to give it a bold, aggressive look that immediately catches your eye. The front of the car features a large grille with a glossy black finish, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights. These headlights not only provide excellent illumination but also give the RX5 Sport a fierce and modern stance. Below, the sleek front bumper complements the overall design, with subtle air intakes that enhance its sporty character. Moving to the side, the RX5 Sport's design continues to impress. The SUV has a strong, muscular profile with clean lines and a sculpted body. The side skirts are well integrated, and the wheel arches are pronounced, giving it a more robust and athletic appeal. The 18-inch alloy wheels are a highlight, with a multi-spoke design that adds to the car's dynamic look. The roof rails and chrome accents around the windows further elevate the SUV's sophisticated appeal. At the rear, the MG RX5 Sport doesn't shy away from making a statement. The tailgate is sculpted with subtle contours, and the taillights have a unique, signature design that looks stunning at night. The twin exhaust outlets at the rear give it a performance-oriented feel, while the rear bumper has a more muscular design. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 MG RX5 Sport is modern, bold, and ready to take on any road with confidence. Stepping inside, the interior of the RX5 Sport is nothing short of impressive. MG has focused on creating a premium cabin that offers comfort, style, and technology. The cabin feels spacious, with ample room for both front and rear passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, and the driver's seat is power-adjustable, offering great support even on long journeys. The stitching on the seats is meticulous, adding a touch of elegance to the overall interior. The dashboard of the RX5 Sport is sleek and modern, with a large, floating touchscreen that dominates the center console. This screen provides access to various features like navigation, media controls, and vehicle settings. The infotainment system supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it easy for you to connect your smartphone and access your apps and music on the go. Below the screen, there are tactile knobs for climate control, which feel solid and well-made. Now, let's talk about the performance of the 2025 MG RX5 Sport. Under the hood, the RX5 Sport is equipped with a powerful 2.0-litre turbocharged engine. This engine delivers a robust output, providing ample power for both city driving and highway cruising. The engine produces around 250 horsepower, making it more than capable of handling any terrain with ease. Paired with a smooth-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the RX5 Sport offers a responsive and engaging driving experience. On the road, the RX5 Sport feels composed and stable. The suspension is tuned to strike a balance between comfort and sportiness, so you get a smooth ride even on rough surfaces while still feeling the connection to the road. The steering is precise, and the car feels nimble, making it enjoyable to drive in tight corners or on winding roads. The all-wheel drive system ensures that you have excellent traction in different driving conditions, whether it's rain, snow, or gravel roads. In terms of fuel efficiency, the MG RX5 Sport is quite competitive for its class. It offers decent mileage, allowing you to cover long distances without constantly worrying about refueling. The driving modes, including Eco and Sport, help optimize performance based on your preference. The Eco mode maximizes fuel efficiency, while the Sport mode enhances throttle response and overall driving excitement. Safety is another area where the 2025 MG RX5 Sport excels. It comes equipped with a host of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only make driving easier but also provide peace of mind knowing that the RX5 Sport is working to keep you and your passengers safe. Finally, let's discuss the pricing. The 2025 MG RX5 Sport is priced competitively, offering great value for the features and performance it delivers. It is positioned as a mid-range SUV, so you're getting a lot of car for your money. The base model is priced attractively, while higher trims come with additional luxury features and advanced tech, justifying the slightly higher price tag. Overall, the RX5 Sport offers excellent value for anyone looking for a well-rounded SUV that doesn't break the bank. In conclusion, the 2025 MG RX5 Sport is a standout in the SUV segment, offering a mix of style, performance, and technology. Whether you're looking for a car with bold looks, advanced features, or great driving dynamics, the RX5 Sport checks all the boxes. It's a car that's as fun to drive as it is to look at, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a modern, feature-packed SUV.